If your texture is showing through your makeup, there are a couple of things that we can do to go ahead and fix it and adjust it. Even though texture is its own type of issue and type of problem, there are a little makeup magic that we can actually do to fix it. If that is you, welcome back to my makeup troubleshooting series where I'm going to teach you what you're doing wrong when it comes to your makeup routine and how we're going to fix it so that you can have the makeup look of your dreams. Welcome back. Let's get into this episode because I'm a girl that had texture. I'm going to teach you exactly how you're going to fix it when it comes to your all-in-one custom makeup palette. Let's go ahead and get into it. So when it comes to texture, you want to make sure that you're understanding that texture is a skin issue. It is not a makeup issue. 9 times out of 10, it is a skin issue. A lot of times when we have texture, we have pigmentation issues. We want makeup to correct it and make everything one color and fix it. In all reality, that just doesn't happen unless you are doing TV, wearing heavy makeup, filming makeup, or full blown out coverage makeup with layers and layers of makeup on. That's just not going to happen. These days, I want to look nice and natural, and a lot of you want to look natural, dewy, have beautiful makeup looks. Even if you want to have a matte makeup look that still looks like you when people see you with or without makeup on, that's what we want. But let's correct the texture. With texture, you want to make sure that you're actually in the right colors. If you've been color matched, your colors were working for a little while. Now they seem just not to be working. You notice the texture. Your texture's already been there. You're starting to know your texture and notice it a little bit more. It's a color issue. That just means you probably need to get recolor matched because you probably either lost color or gained color. Your custom color match that you have gotten already is not matching anymore. Or you might have been color matched. Hopefully it was not me. You might have been color matched wrong in the first place. Sometimes a lot of you do go ahead and want to color match yourselves, or you start with a starter collection and you end up in the wrong colors. Nevertheless, don't worry, we can go ahead and fix your color match by fixing your colors. Go and request a rematch to get color match to make sure that you're in the right set color combinations, because having the right set color combinations and variations really does make the biggest difference when it comes to your makeup routine doing with your custom makeup palettes. So make sure that you have the right colors. If you did a personalized custom color match, you were giving the exact colors for your base that make up your highlights and your contour. That is your base. If you only selected 1 or 2 colors out of there, you're putting it on and you're like, it's not working. I can see all my texture. It's still a texture issue. You have not been using the colors that were recommended on for your skin tone for it to even match. The second thing, we just want to make sure that you actually ordered the colors that were recommended for you to go ahead and use, and then use them correctly. Make sure you're using the ones that have been named in your email as your main highlights. Use those for your main highlight combinations. Your brightening highlight, use that for your brightening highlight, and then your contour, and so on and so forth. That's how it usually goes. Follow your placement guide or even reach out to me. And remember, I'm always doing makeup recreates all of the time. Full blown out videos from beginning to end with all of the steps that walk you through how to go ahead and do the process. When it comes to your texture, if you're not using the right colors, or you opted to select colors on your own and those colors are off, that could be the main reason why you're seeing texture issues. The next thing that you can do is make sure that you've exfoliated. If you haven't exfoliated your face in a while, or you're not doing it routinely, please do so. I promise you, it makes the biggest difference when doing your makeup routine. You will start to see that the texture becomes less of a problem and less of an issue. Your skin's gonna look so smooth, plus your makeup can go on so much smoother. After exfoliating, make sure you're putting hydration back into the skin by using a hydration type of toner. Like I like to recommend the rose toners. They work so good. They work well for your skin, even underneath your makeup, to help with pigmentation and dark spots and even texture issues a little bit, believe it or not. Also going in with a light moisturizer. When your skin has the appearance of looking hydrated, texture becomes less of a predominant issue that you're visually being able to see. If your skin is seriously dry, you're putting makeup on top of that, then you're going to naturally just see more texture. Hopefully this video was helpful. Let me know in the comments what you're struggling with, what you have questions about. I can go ahead and make videos off of that just for you. I am excited to let me know what you guys' thoughts are. I will go ahead and see you in the next video.